Buy Smart Oven Plus Echo Show 5 at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Meet Amazon Smart Oven, which is a 4-in-1 microwave, convection oven, food warmer, and air fryer. Air fry feature may require more cooking time than standalone air fryers. The Amazon Smart Oven is the best kitchen device approved for use in homes. It includes 30+ built-in presets, voice control with Alexa through a compatible Echo device like the included Echo Show 5. The dimension for this smart oven is measured to be 21.8 x 13 x 21.4 and it weighs 45 lb. With announcements, Alexa will notify you when the oven is preheated or when your food is done. The temperature probe helps you know when your food is cooked just the way you like it. This product scans select packaged foods with the Alexa app and Amazon Smart Oven will cook them automatically. Amazon Smart Oven is large enough to cook a 5-pound chicken. With a convection oven, microwave, air fryer, and food warmer all rolled into one countertop appliance, Amazon Smart Oven helps you get a home-cooked meal on the table in a snap, and keeps it warm for the kids until they get home from practice. Air fry feature may require more cooking time than standalone air fryers. When paired with a compatible Echo device, your Amazon Smart Oven allows for voice-controlled cooking with Alexa. Just ask for any of the 30+ presets, to start or stop cooking, or wait for her to notify you when the oven is preheated or your food is done. Preset performance depends on a number of factors and may vary. Preheat and oven rack instructions must be followed according to cook mode. Scan to Cook technology allows you to scan select packaged foods with the Alexa app and let the Amazon Smart Oven do the work. No guessing, no checking, no babysitting to make sure it's done all the way through, just deliciously done the first time.